Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The MRP of this product is 500 rupees for 30 ml. This foundation suits for normal to oily skin. Let's see what it claims. Mattifies and refines pores, matches natural tone and also gives a seamless finish. Coming to the packaging, it comes in a transparent glass bottle with black color cap. It doesn't have any pump tube or spatula to apply. The shade I have bought is 115 Ivory. This shade suits for fair skin. Now let's see the texture and coverage. This is not so thick cream or not so liquidy. It has medium thickness. It is blending so easily. It gives light pink finish. It absorbs into the skin very well and it doesn't look like cakey. It gives a even finish. Coming to the coverage, it gives light to medium coverage. It doesn't cover any blemishes on your skin. It gives matte finish and also it covers pores also. It suits for normal and oily skin tone. It stays for 4 to 5 hours, which is good time for this price. This is affordable foundation, so we can use it for a regular wear. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.